So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to drive a grounding rod in. I got this 8-foot grounding rod from I think I got it from Lowe's, and it's about, I think it's 5/8 or ½ inch. It's 5/8. So we gotta drive this in. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it without any tools. It's pretty easy. You don't need a. You can use a sledgehammer or a post hole driver. They tend to bend if you use a post hole driver. So you know these ones are kind of thick. It might not bend. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you guys like what I did to get the area ready and prepped. So I took this 55-gallon drum of water that I had here, and I kind of just I let it all drain out right here where I'm gonna put the grounding rod. You can use a hose, you can use a bucket of water. You don't need to use that much water. So what you want to do is just kind of stab it down like this. Already got it halfway driven, just like that. It's so easy. As long as you get water in here. What you want to do is pull it out, grab some more water. Doesn't have to be much, just enough to get in that hole. Find your hole, let it go back down in there. You just keep repeating. Add water. Like I said, a bucket of water would work. Once you feel like you hit bottom, that's when you're going to want to get a sledgehammer, something else to put in the rest of the way. So it's that easy. It took me about 5 minutes to do that. Not hard at all. A lot of people make these drills and really like get intricate with it, but you don't need to. I'm hard packed clay around here, and you know, I just, like I said, a little bit of water will loosen that dirt up for you, push it right down. So that's enough for me to get 2 clamps on there. I'm gonna go ahead and get it hooked up.